centuries ago,
not take the place of what you advocate, but facilitate the shift of power.
an exchange of ideas like this
Presidents being able to issue executive orders that impact amendments.
laid the groundwork for this country.
It would probably change the way certainly lawyers behaved and the way society worked.
That foundation, comprised of state leaders, helped create the United States Constitution.
All of the rights, the constitutional rights we Americans prize so greatly, originate in the state constitutions. So the rights like free speech, protections against unreasonable search and seizure, equal protection, due process.
A forgotten fact, according to U.S. Sixth Circuit Court Judge Jeffrey Sutton. So much so, he's teaching the subject as an adjunct professor at Ohio State's Moritz College of Law, and now as an author of a new book on the topic.
Here in Ohio, as I think we all know, we use the referendum process and compromise, by the way.
He and Ohio Supreme Court Justice Judith French talked about the importance of state constitutions and courts utilizing them recently at a Columbus Metropolitan Club event.
Ohio lawyers really need to step up and present those questions and tell us why the Ohio Constitution is different in some way than the federal Constitution and how we should apply it in a particular place.
Both Justice French and Judge Sutton work together under State Attorney General Betty Montgomery. His book shines a light on all that state laws and legislatures do to impact lives locally.
It's dangerous to think that everything is good or that we really care about must be protected in some constitution. Some rights are best protected by legislatures or in local communities.
Having ruled on a wide array of cases throughout her career, Justice French agrees that the most sensible approach for Ohio and the rest of the country is to utilize the laws that each state has established as an added resource.
You can't just rely on the United States Supreme Court, where you have complex problems, whether it's about school funding, the equality of funding, whatever the issue is, that it's really better to have 51 solutions that take into account local traditions, state laws, rather than having just one imperfect solution.
I'm Chaba Sukos for Court News Ohio.